Hello everyone. Do you like racing? I like racing and I have a tool like a scoring system. This is not like a elimination form type of tournament in racing, but it's more like for scoring. So what is scoring system? So in a race, every race participant can get a certain score based on their finish position, like first, second, third, and so on. But they can also get a score if they did not finish or did not participate in the race. And everything is configurable. There is a config here. Like we have Formula 1, IndyCar, and then you can change it wherever you want. Like if the first position is 99, then the next is 98. You can change it maybe 50. You can change the next one to 33, whatever you like. And you can also fill in like until as many as you want. You can add more column and put this as 53. Yeah, whatever you like. And how do we create a new session? So you have to go to up here. There is a button called scoring tools. You can choose either it's a scoring crew or individual. Let's try crew. And then is it private session? It is. And then how many crews? Maybe 3 crews. How many participants per crew? Maybe 4. How many total matches? Maybe 6. And then you can choose which scoring system that we decided in the config. So it's gonna be Formula 1. And it's building. Okay, now we just create a new sheet here. And yeah, so I mean, you can see that the first is 99, but the config we decided that the first is 99, so you don't have to worry about it. You can change it later on. And since we have 3 crews, there are 3 sections here, and then you can like the crew name is crew 1, and then crew 2, and crew 3, and then you can put the score here. Maybe that's 40, 30, and then it will auto total all the score for the one track and then for the entire series. Yeah. And for the individual, it's the same basically, and this is the example. So you can put your names here, and then this is you can put the track names and the car names. Yeah, I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any feedback or any more ideas how to improve this. Thank you guys. See you.